Welcome to all my followers, new subscribers. Welcome. I just want to bring this to your awareness that gravity does not exist. Come on, be real. There is no such thing as gravity. Scientists don't know anything. The media lies. Gravity don't exist. Everything is density. They talk about the electrical universe. Yes, electricity, everything is connected through the plasma streams all over the universe. The ether, the world itself, the space, everything is connected with the ether. That's plasma, that's electricity. But gravity, no. Gravity do not exist. It has never existed. It is a fake makeup for us to distract us from the truth. Everything being taught to us is upside down and the opposite. Think about it. Density is what exists. The planet with the most density displaces a vacuum around it and will attract, or basically anything around it with a lesser vacuum, a lesser density, will fall into its density. Just take a time and think about it. You will figure it out. I don't have time to explain it now. I know you will figure it out. Everybody is smart enough. Open your mind to it. Open your mind to the fact of density and not gravity. You will figure it out. Keep the frequency clear. Have a nice day.